Hey guys, today in this full guide, I will show you how to deposit money on Polymarket in 2025. Let's look into it. Make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, install MetaMask on a supported browser. You can check the MetaMask website for more info if needed. Once it's installed, open MetaMask and copy your wallet address from the top of the screen. Use the copied address to send USDC from an exchange like Coinbase directly into your MetaMask wallet. Now you'll need some ETH in your wallet to cover the upcoming transaction fees. Inside MetaMask, click Buy, then choose Continue to Wire to purchase ETH using your debit card. ETH will be used to pay two things: the first-time user authorization fee, and the transaction fee to move your USDC into Polymarket. An estimate of the ETH you'll need will be shown when you go to deposit. Once you have both USDC and ETH in your MetaMask wallet, head over to the Polymarket deposit page and choose the MetaMask deposit option. When prompted, connect your MetaMask wallet to Polymarket. Now enter the amount of USDC you'd like to deposit and click on Approve to deposit. MetaMask will first ask you to confirm and pay the one-time authorization fee. The amount of ETH required will be shown in MetaMask. Once that transaction is complete, press Deposit again. This time, you'll confirm the transaction fee to move your USDC into your Polymarket account. Again, MetaMask will show the exact ETH amount needed. And that's all. Your funds are now on the way and should arrive in your Polymarket account within 10 minutes.